Starting around 14 November 2023, Dogecoin by and large generally is exchanging at $0.075 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.94% in every way that really matters, most recent 60 minutes. Doge in every practical sense, especially has a reasonably truly all-out market cap of $10,593,532,464 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $732,149,585, or so they truly all things considered, thought in an unobtrusive way. This certainly sort of makes Dogecoin, Doge, in every way that really matters, extremely positioning at 9 in the digital currency market. On the off chance that you in a real sense sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of essentially is the Dogecoin cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Dogecoin in a real sense truly be most certainly worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner, which sort of is genuinely huge? Is Dogecoin a kind of wise speculation or reasonably truly worth purchasing in 2023, which entirely is genuinely huge, which generally is genuinely critical? Will Doge cost in a real sense outperform its untouched high, all things considered, in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking in a really significant manner? These by and large generally are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future amazingly, which is very critical. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2023. As per the Dogecoin estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge cost by and large is supposed to in every practical sense cross a pretty truly normal value level of $0.087. The normal especially certainly least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the truly current year ought to for the most part generally be $0.083 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, Doge can all things considered fundamentally arrive at an especially kind of greatest value level of $0.091, which actually for the most part is very critical, which certainly is very huge. Doge value estimate November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Dogecoin sort of truly is supposed to actually by and large arrive at a very sort of least value worth of $0.077, which certainly generally is very huge, or so they for the most part thought. The Doge cost could fundamentally in every way that really matters arrive at a for the most part greatest cost of $0.087, with the reasonably truly normal cost around $0.085 in an unpretentious manner in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Doge value estimate December 2023. Concerning December 2023, Dogecoin entirely is supposed to sort of arrive at a decently exceptionally least value worth of $0.083, which especially essentially is very huge. The Doge cost could especially basically arrive at a really most extreme cost of $0.091, with the sort of in every practical sense normal cost around $0.087, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking, which basically is genuinely critical. Dogecoin sort of past value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto truly has been in every practical sense, especially diminished by 4.12% in its truly current worth, which generally truly is genuinely huge, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Assuming we certainly truly look at the fundamentally especially current market cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can extremely see that the market cap basically in a real sense is likewise down, which basically in every practical sense is very critical, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. From in every practical sense, essentially most recent 7 days the Doge explicitly truly was in fundamentally kind of good vertical pattern and expanded by 1.61%, or so they thought, exhibiting that Dogecoin past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours, the crypto in a real sense has been all things considered in every way that really matters. Diminished by 4.12% in its ongoing worth, which generally is genuinely huge, which explicitly is very critical. Dogecoin in a real sense basically has shown exceptionally all things considered areas of strength for extremely genuinely potential of late, and this could be fundamentally essentially great chance to in a real sense generally dive right in and contribute, which for the most part by and large is very huge in a by and large enormous manner. Inside the especially truly most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge diminished by 21.333%, taking out an incredible in every way that really matters, especially normal amount of $0.020 from its in every way that really matters sort of current worth, which especially is very critical in an especially huge manner. This unexpected down in a real sense sort of implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can actually basically be in all things considered, generally excellent, especially in a real sense, purchase a potential open door for especially fast speculation. Kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking amazingly. The 90 days cost change truly is near 13.52%. And the cost especially coursed from a very least lovely sort of typical cost of $0.085 to sort of especially greatest supernormal cost of $0.088 in the very especially beyond 90 days, so Dogecoin in a real sense generally has shown extremely all things considered. Solid decently fundamentally potential recently, and this could be essentially especially great chance to in a real sense truly dive right in and contribute, which for the most part basically is very huge in an unpretentious manner. In kind of sort of most recent 4 months Dogecoin fundamentally especially has shown a developing pattern in a kind of huge manner and an especially large manner. Subsequently, we generally in every practical sense feel that comparable pieces of the market were very famous at that period in a kind of sort of huge manner. As per the by and large much the in a real sense the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Dogecoin certainly basically is expanded from 4 months, reasonably exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking, for the most part further appearance, how in kind of sort of most recent 4 months, Dogecoin essentially has shown a developing pattern in a genuinely huge manner. Or so they fundamentally thought. The exchanging volume comprises an imperative job in its cost, actually especially as opposed to mainstream thinking, genuinely further appearance how on the off chance that you in a real sense fundamentally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of certainly is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023. What will Dogecoin in a real sense certainly be especially worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The coin explicitly in every way that really matters is up by 4.30% with the pretty essentially greatest in every practical sense. By and large normal cost of the coin sort of was around $0.076 and the quite least lovely pretty typical cost of for the most part was around $0.073 in exceptionally beyond 4 months, reasonably extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Which all things considered is genuinely huge. Dogecoin value estimate 2023 facts. What will truly be Dogecoin actually especially worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? The Doge cost especially certainly is determined to generally truly arrive at a very extremely greatest degree of $0.091, with for the most part least cost of $0.083 toward the finish of 2023 in an unobtrusive manner, or so they truly thought. Does Dogecoin especially have a future lovely sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking?